Hello, new school Beyblade here, and today I'm doing an unboxing video of Antler Stag B260 high needle. Let's go. Okay.
I say, and we head out into the parking lot outside the main terminal. I activated Curcio, and Kirishima jaw drops.
Okay.
He asks, and I laugh. Kidding. This makes me quite a bit like Jessica. I think I'm as calm as
Really happy to get this add this to my collection. Oh, hold on. There we go. I don't need that. Let's get. Sure. Sure.
I walk down to the 400.
There we go. That's cool. It seems like a fox type of bay. And that purple. I like this purple a lot. Pink.
It doesn't have a helmet, but I can deal with that later. Dude, that is awesome.
Should I just call this James? If you know, you know. Stag.
You brought the truck I asked you for. I asked.
Okay. Shit. Oh, goddamn, my shoulder is killing me right now. I've been doing videos and also I was moving stuff around and I kind of threw out my shoulder a bit. Okay. There we go.
Looking at an article on my phone. 1000 cc. Jeez. You sure you can handle all that? He asks, and I nod. I've driven what was supposed.
But yeah, hope you guys like this video. Like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this, and goodbye.